Buenos dias, everybody. Guess where I am? And guess who I am? You guys know I'm Dr. K. And this is Florida. Okay? Look at this beautiful tree behind me. Very nice. Where in Florida this is? Okay, this is Fountain of Youth. Ponce de Leon Fountain of Youth in St. Augustine, Florida. Not too far from Georgia. Okay, so we're closer to north of Florida, Jacksonville. How the hell did I end up here? I don't even know. I had some work that needed my physical presence, and decided to just show up here on TikTok Live, say hi to everybody. Happy Friday. If you guys have any questions, please ask me. We have the master training of Endolift with Dr. Bayati coming from London in Newport Beach next week, and then we have a couple of private Endolift trainings, and we have lots of cases coming up, and also some updates about the All-Tight, the new Korean skin tightening machine. We have promising results that seems to be lasting and cumulative. So I will tell you more about that. Okay, here we go. They are going to do the Canon demonstration. Okay, this is the first permanent European colony in America. Okay, Ponce de Leon and landed here in 1503 or so, and then he basically conquered the Indians, and this was the first Spanish colony. All right, guys, any questions regarding treatments or anything that you like? I'll give you a couple of minutes. Other than that, regarding the Endolift and the face sculpting, if you're under age 60, definitely consider it. Okay, definitely try that before jumping into a crazy surgical procedure. Surgery not necessarily gives you great results always, but is much more riskier, much more expensive, and lots of scar tissue, which will limit your face and skin to do other procedures such as endolift, threads, and other procedures afterwards. So your surgery, facelift, mini facelift, whatever kind, should be your last resort. We are improving our non-surgical techniques, combining different, lasers, of course, the injectables, booster, salmon sperm. I'm setting up my own studio for weekly lifestyle videos, and also I'm going to do the first one is going to be on salmon sperm and what it does and who benefits and all that, how many times you should do it. So stay tuned for that video. How do you get a consultation? So usually if you just call our office or message us here in TikTok, we can set up your virtual consult. Usually it's a $50 charge, goes towards your treatment. If you come in person, of course, is $100 goes towards your treatment as well. Always better in person. Sometimes I do ultrasound evaluation. I know if I need, that's part of it. But of course, lots of you fly in to come and see us. So virtual is best way to go. Just message us, or even better, if you go to our profile, our phone number is there. Call Suke and she will book you, okay? We are located in 2 offices. Newport Beach, California is PCH Med Spa, close to John Wayne Airport. And then a couple of days a month, I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, in Fountain Hills Med Spa, okay? We are the only one performing this in Arizona, of course. Florida, in California, there's a few other doctors that do it, of course, but the hub of Endolift is PCH Med Spa, Dr. K. I have done close to 1,000 procedures, and in Arizona, we just had a case a couple of days ago, 40-year-old woman, and you cannot believe how much improvement she received. It was amazing, better than the surgery, seriously. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is Fountain of Youth. I came to drink from the fountain, but it's very commercialized now here. This is the statue of, guess who? That's of course the Florida flag, and right, yeah. And this is Ponce de Leon, Juan Ponce de Leon, who was the governor also of Puerto Rico, which was called San Juan before it was called Puerto Rico. Okay, big guy in Spanish history, I guess. Okay, and there's a street or a neighborhood in Miami. I remember I used to live in Miami, and that was the first place that I practiced, University of Miami. And you know, I did all over Florida. So here I'm back again, a little refreshment of those memories about 10-15 years ago. And life has changed a lot from a you know, regular hospitalist, slavery work. You know, fortunately I promoted myself to be the leader of non-surgical face and neck sculpting in the country. So it's great. Of course, it came with a lot of hard work, and we're just going to improve from here, because Dr. Bayati from London, he's coming. He's my colleague and international trainer of Endolift, and he's going to come and work with us on facial sculpting and fillers, injectables for different parts. So of course we all learn from each other. I'm going to teach them the arm slimming with Endolift. Okay, so we all learn from each other, and it's great. I did train with Dr. Bayati about 1.5 years ago in his studio clinic in London, of course. And he's a great artist, and he's a radiologist and Endolift leader, one of the leaders in the world. Okay, guys, so that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Any other questions? They're getting ready to do this cannon demonstration here. You know, the same cannon that was used 600 years ago. And those guys are sitting there. I think they're getting ready. So let's see. Maybe you guys can see a little bit of it if I can catch them. I suppose it's going to be pretty loud. So yeah, I guess we have to cover our ears or something. Okay, but there they are. See, the guy is giving a little lecture there. It's pretty cool, huh? Yeah, he's giving some history. See the cannon?
Any ship big enough to carry cannons like this cannot come in the bay. The bay is too shallow. They have to anchor about 3 miles out, well out of range of the tank.